thank you, everybody, for being here this afternoon. Really appreciate you being here at this incredible museum. It's beautiful. So I'd like to take a moment to introduce myself, Marianne Knight-Ekberg. I'm a managing director, private client advisor in Bank of America's private bank. So again, thank you. On behalf of the bank, because I do have a few notes here and remarks. So on behalf of Bank of America and the greater Boston market, I'm really thrilled to be here with you all at the Armenian Museum of America, celebrating this wonderful occasion. And I'm sure everybody has got one of these, but we want to make sure you do. On this gathering, coming on the heels of another great event that we had this afternoon, it was a kickoff of our Diversity and Inclusion Education Series, where we had more than 50 employees join us to visit the Armenian Heritage Park in Boston this afternoon. This beautiful institution and events like the one we hosted earlier are a perfect example of why Bank of America is dedicated to supporting the arts. At Bank of America in Greater Boston and throughout the United States and beyond, we deliver for our clients, employees, communities, and address pressing societal issues, including through our arts and culture and heritage programs. We believe that the investments in arts and culture build communities and have a positive impact on the lives of our clients and our employees. We support a wide range of local and global nonprofit organizations with funding and programming to drive the communities we serve, part of how we deliver responsible growth. We also recognize the amazing work that the Armenian Museum of America has done and continues to do to help further the mission of Greater Boston and beyond. As Miceal Chamberlain, our market president for Bank of America, perfectly encapsulated, the Armenian Museum of America is an indispensable resource for the preservation of rich heritage of the Armenian people. The inspirational story of the Armenian people fits into the history of America. Again, we are so excited to be here today to kick off and start this art conservation endeavor, and we are proud to be a partner with you, Michelle, Jason, Berge, Dr. Dumikian, and to bring this project to fruition for so many of our communities and beyond, and to enjoy. Thank you, and it is now my honor and privilege to turn this over to Michelle Kaligian, President of the Board of Trustees of the Armenian Museum of America. Thank you, Michelle. Thanks. Yep, there you go.
Thank you, Marianne. Welcome, everyone. It's so nice to see you all and to see the faces behind a lot of the names that have been on the emails that we've been corresponding with. And I want to thank each and every one of you. I want to thank the Bank of America, especially for this wonderful, wonderful opportunity for the conservation of our manuscripts, which is an incredibly important part of our collection. And we truly are honored, and I thank you all very, very much. It is, I know, Marianne, I know you spoke about the museum, and I could go on and on about it, but we're very proud of it. It is a growing institution. We were left this beautiful, beautiful building, and the collection has been, like I said, been growing literally day by day. We are really proud of what we've been able to amass and what our founders gave to us. And so this has really been a privilege to be able to work. And I speak on behalf of our board, entire board, and on behalf of our team, the Armenian Museum team, from Jason, Berge, Gary, Elisa. And I can tell you that the funding that you have given us will be well spent, and we are very, very privileged to be able to do this work. And I thank you all for being here, and I hope you'll come back again and bring your families and be part of our museum family and enjoy this collection and tour the museum again. So thank you all very, very much.
Hi, everyone. I'm Carrie Miles. I'm the Arts and Heritage Program Manager at the Bank of America. So I'm based right down here in Waltham, so I didn't have any of the traffic from Boston. So thank you for arranging. It'd be so convenient. Yeah, just to echo all the sentiments here, we're so thrilled to be partnering with the Armenian Museum. Our conservation project it's truly a global program, and so this is one of 23 projects selected for this year alone. So we've done 237 of these across 40 countries. So it is very special for me to be able to be here with you and to announce and celebrate something really local to our community. So the reason we do this is really because we do believe in making the arts more accessible, more inclusive, and really helping to promote cultural sustainability. So I think this project just, encapsulates all that we try to strive for. My understanding is by having these works conserved, that they'll be made more available to the public, which is exactly what we want. So we couldn't have been happier to be here today and to celebrate with you all. Thank you for having us again. We really appreciate it.